Okay, we're at the railroad market just outside of Bangkok. It's really famous, some call it the most dangerous market of the world. This train literally goes through that market. And it's very crowded here. Oh, it's like this. Hi, here comes the train, Johnny. All the experience in the world, guys. Amazing to be here. I have to say, these things are taller than the Dutch markers, so I always have to duck, right? I know, right? Enough protein, guys.
Welcome to Thailand.
Thank you.
And some.
Where are you from?
Oh, Holland, Amsterdam.
Ah, Holland.
Thanks, man. The happiness you can give these people, amazing. Thank you, thank you. It's crazy that that whole train just goes through here. Amazing. It's so warm, guys, it's 36 degrees. That's not the weather for a giant. I'm 50% Norwegian blood, guys. What the hell?